welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I've been so MIA lately, and I promise I am trying to go back to my regular posting schedule, and I've noticed such a huge difference in my views, so I'm really hurting by that. As you guys know, I'm really passionate about YouTube, and that's what I want to do with life, so I don't know why I'm slacking with it. But anyways, I just had so much going on between my cake business, between Elle growing up. She's already 4 months, if you guys can believe that. It was also Jackson's 3rd birthday, and then we also had to deal with the stress of Hurricane Dorian coming through. And if you guys are new here to my channel, I do live in Miami, Florida. So the hurricane was supposed to come here as a Category 5 originally, and by the grace of God, it just pivoted a little bit to the east. So I know that this hurricane took such a toll on Bahamas, and I am totally devastated for what's happening to them. But we are just so blessed that nothing happened to us, and that hurricane did go towards the ocean side. And in today's video, I just wanted to bring back this company that you guys are very familiar with here, and it is Simply Earth. So for the month of September, they have another essential oils recipe box, and I am so excited about this one because it actually wasn't something that I'm into. The theme for this month's box is soap making, and I have to be honest, it's like so easy just to go to the store and buy soap, so I've never been one to even try to make soap. I always thought it was just a little weird, but now that I've done it, I'm kind of hooked. Like, my skin just feels so much different, and I love just knowing that what I'm using is simple ingredients. And if you guys aren't familiar with the Simply Earth Essential Oils recipe box, basically they send you 4 full-size essential oils along with recipe cards, a few other ingredients that you may need, and then stickers to go with your containers. And if you guys aren't into the whole monthly subscription box service, I really do suggest just going onto their website and buying the essential oils separately, because they are so much cheaper than anywhere else that you can buy them. And I have to say that this month's box had relatively unusual essential oils. I haven't even heard of a few of them, so I was so excited just to try something new. Today I wanted to test out the Flowers and Spice Diffuser blend along with this Sugar Scrub bar soap, and both came out amazing. I mean, the diffuser blend just smells my entire house up, and it just makes it such a happy and productive smell. Like, I was just so enticed to do work and to get cleaning done. It's just something about it that made me feel productive. And then the soap was just so moisturizing on my skin, and it left my skin feeling so soft and exfoliated. And the 4 essential oils from this month's box is Cashew Poots, I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong, Lemongrass, Happy Joy, and Bay essential oil. And the cashew poo is said to relieve congestion, inflammation, minor pain, and it's also not kin friendly, but I have to say I love like the fruity scent of it. I thought it was amazing. Lemongrass is more for acne prone skin, so that's amazing for me. My face has had acne since I was 15 years old, so I will do anything to get rid of it. Bay is really for fever, gas, muscle relief, just anything that's really aching, and I find it so soothing for that. It reminds me a lot of eucalyptus, if you guys have used that before. And the Happy Joy Essential Oil Blend has been the best smelling one that I've received so far. You guys just have to smell it. It's just so fruity and sweet, and it really does relieve stress and make you happy. So I just wanted to move on to the demo portion of this video. I went ahead and chose 2 from the recipe cards that were sent to me this month. First, I wanted to show you guys the Fruit and Spice Diffuser scent. Basically, you use all of the essential oils that were sent to you this month. And I have my wonderful little helper Jackson helping me out right now. And I kind of wish that I left the audio in for this clip, but obviously it's fast forward, so it wouldn't have sound so good. But he really is telling me how great it smells and how much fun he's having with me. And now for the sugar scrub, and I have to tell you guys, even without using this soap, it makes my entire bathroom smell like cinnamon, and I am obsessed with it. So the only thing that you need that's not in the box is sugar and cinnamon. The cinnamon was optional, but I absolutely love the anti-inflammatory properties that it has for my skin. And I can't believe how easy the soap making process is. As I said before, I have never made soap before, and I cannot wait to make it again. I had so much fun doing this. And I have to say, my favorite thing about the essential oil monthly subscription box is that every single month my home is becoming more and more natural. And it's not any kind of a forced process. I don't have to spend time researching essential oils and learning them for myself. It just makes it so much easier that everything is shipped to me with the recipe cards. And I'm not sure if I've mentioned it before, but with Simply Earth, they do donate 13% of your purchase towards ending human trafficking, which is something that I'm truly passionate about because there are millions of people that are affected by this. So every month they choose a different foundation, and this month was Exodus Way. And Exodus Way's purpose is to end prostitution. And I read on one of the back of these recipe cards that over 40 million people are affected by prostitution. And that number just blew my mind. So I am so glad to be working with a company that's doing so much good for not only us inside of our homes, but also outside of the real world. But that's it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. And I'll also be getting back to doing some other fun videos for you guys. But until then, I'll talk to you guys next week. Bye.